full of scattered plans, coffee stains on the page, still wet. Your jacket hangs on the chair like it's waiting for you to come back. I leave my phone face down so I don't see your name glow blue. All these words I never said out loud are folding themselves into you.
If I walk to the edge, will you follow my steps in your head?
If this is the last thing I write, will you hear me tonight? I'm not ready to say goodbye, but I'm running out of places to hide. Every breath feels borrowed time, every line just blurs the line.
I'm not ready to say goodbye, so I'm writing it down instead of the cry. If this is the last thing you read from me, please remember how you set me free.
Ash on the windowsill, candles burn down to their teeth. There's a picture of us on the fridge, crooked, like it's trying to leave. My keys still hang by the door, but my heart's halfway through the floorboards. I keep laughing at stupid shows just to drown out how cold it's grown. If I fade from the frame, will you curse out my name or the pain? If this is the last time I try, will you feel me slip by? I'm not ready to say goodbye, but I'm running out of places to hide. Every breath feels borrowed time, every line just blurs the line.
I'm not ready to say goodbye, so I'm writing it down instead of the cry. If this is the last thing you read from me, please remember how you set me free.
This thing shakes like my hands. I don't wanna leave you, I don't know how to stay.
I underlined your birthday, circled every yesterday. I wrote, I'll be okay, then scratched it out halfway.
If I go too far, would you pull me back?
Would you let me drift into the black?
I'm not ready to say goodbye, but the seconds in my chest collide. Every heartbeat, every crack, I'm fine. Here's a flare shot up through the night.
I'm not ready to say goodbye, so I'm screaming your name in my mind. If this is the last thing you hear from me, let your memory fight this gravity. I wrote this down so you know I loved you more than my shadow.
And if I don't make it through this night,
Please forgive me. I just wasn't ready to say goodbye.